Hi, this is Cammie's Clips, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Sirocco Modern Playing Card, designed by Nathan Ozar and made by RSPCC, which is the Riffle Shuffle Playing Card Company. Now, normally, the best playing card company to make cards is USPCC, so we'll see if these cards are still good. So, on the top box, this is the front, so it has some people with tridents, and very tiny right here, there's the 4 suits in the corners. On the back, it's a North Star. On the top, it says Sirocco. Here it says, the wind is fierce, yet fills our sails. And here it says, when night falls, see by the stars. And also I forgot to mention, at the top here of the front, it says 52 and LE, and I'm not quite sure what LE means, but there's normally 52 cards in a standard deck. So opening up the tuck box, on the front here it says, here's the smooth sailing. On the small tuck flaps, there are some symbols, identical symbol on each flap. And you can see on the inside there is a pattern that continues down the tuck box. But on the bottom of the tuck box, that pattern turns into some lines. So as you can see, the cards, the back design is the same as the back design of the box. And in this deck, instead of black, there is blue. That is the Ace of Spades. And if I can find the jokers, which I will show you quickly, if I can find them. Here they are. There is a red joker, and then there is a blue joker. And this deck also comes with a double backer as well, which is very good. Overall, these cards feel quite thin, which will be good for it'll be good for fanning the cards. It will be good for spreading the card, palming the cards. Overall use of the cards will be better, but they won't be as durable as thicker cards. So thinner cards are better, but they will not last as long. So that has been my review of the Sirocco Modern Playing Cards, and if you want to see some of my other videos, they will be on the screen right now. Thanks for watching.